There was one instance where the co-pilot was like, you've spent enough time in the chopper, you kind of know like where what is and what to do, और बहुत ही easy sequence था, so he handed over the controls और मैंने थोड़ा किया.
She's lying.
शरण deny कर रहा है लेकिन ऐसे हुआ है.
Well, thank you so much, Pankaj sir, Jhanvi and Sharan. I actually want to say I've seen the film. If I was at the theatre, I would have gotten up, clapped, cheered and whistled. So how are you feeling about it being on the OTT platform? Are you also going to miss that vibe? Because वो standing ovation miss हो जाएगा. हम घर में खड़े होके clap कर लेंगे.
हाँ, लेकिन घर में खड़े होके तो clap तो करेंगे ना, तो वो भी same ही है. As long as people get up and clap. But I mean, you have to make the best of the situation, and this is the safest possible way to get the film to people. So yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm fine with it.
पंकज सर बताइए.
हाँ, वही कुछ दिन तक अब तो ऐसा ही करना पड़ेगा. तो अगर अच्छी लगे तो घर में भी कर सकते हैं खड़े होके और तालियां बजा सकते हैं.
But it's a lovely, lovely film, Sharan. So Jhanvi, can I say it's a debut all over again?
I don't know how to respond to that. Thank you, I think. I don't know.
So, I mean, it's just amazing headlining Gunjan Saxena, somebody who's... जी sir. हाँ जी sir.
नहीं, मेरे लिए तो जाह्नवी का डेब्यू फिल्म है. मैंने जाह्नवी का कोई सिनेमा नहीं देखा.
But Jhanvi, I mean, the thing is, you're headlining Gunjan Saxena, the first female pilot in Combat Zone. Someone whose reality is very different from you. Was it very challenging to play this character, and it being your second film, a real life story?
You know, a lot of people have been asking me this question since we started doing press yesterday. And I was thinking about it, and you know, the whole process was so enriching and so much fun. And I was so excited that I was getting to learn so many things that I wouldn't have had the chance to learn before. That, I mean, there were challenges, it was a journey, but I was just so excited, and I had such great people around me that nothing felt like अरे अटक गई ये कैसे करे. Nothing really felt like that. It was smooth sailing, touch wood, and I think it was also because हमने shoot के पहले भी इतना समय बिताया Gunjan ma'am के साथ, with her parents, getting to know her. We had so many discussions. So yeah, there was like 6 months before we started shooting the film where we were just discussing everything and exploring so much. And हाँ, तो by the time हम set पे आए तो काफी तैयार नहीं बोलना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन मतलब I had two such wonderful people guiding me throughout the entire process, so I was happy.
And Pankaj sir, जितनी भी मैंने आपकी पिक्चरें देखी है ना, आप उसमें antagonist हैं. And here is Colonel Saxena, who just for me was the star of the show, other than Gunjan. जो आपके mannerisms हैं, it's just so typical that of an army officer. Did you observe someone? How did you pick this up? I was just so impressed. आपको textbook सही में कहते हैं acting की वजह से.
हाँ, correct. नहीं वो थोड़ी प्रिपरेशन तो करते ही हैं किसी भी रोल के लिए, तो वो तो जरूरी है. तो मैंने किया था, थोड़ा पढ़ा, 1-2 वैसे लोगों से मिला, और मेरे एक तो जानने वाले हैं, वो आर्म फोर्सेस में ही हैं, तो उनसे मिला, उनको देखा, तो थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया बन गया. और बाकी शरण थे ना, बहुत सिंसियर डायरेक्टर, और इतनी अच्छी लिख के दिया था ना. अगर रिटन मटेरियल अच्छा हो तो एक्टर का काम आसान हो जाता है.
जी.
तो निखिल ने, करण ने, शरण ने इतना सुंदर लेखनी की थी ना, राइटिंग करी थी, कि हमारा काम थोड़ा आसान हो गया.
Awesome. And Sharan is inspired by Gunjan's story. How did this come about, this idea? Because usually we've seen movies celebrating the men, saluting them, you know. Usually it's about women in the police force, but yes, she was the first, woman in the defense forces. So how did this come about? And how did you decide upon Jahnvi as Gunjan Saxena?
So, ma'am, first part of the question, I really just stumbled upon an article on Gunjan ma'am, and there's very little information on the internet. I was just scrolling through stuff, and it said that there was a young girl who was 24 at the time of Kargil who flew an unarmed chopper and rescuing soldiers. It said her brother was in the army in Kargil with her, and her father was also part of the army. So something about this, something just appealed to me mentally in my head. when I reached out to Gunjan ma'am and went to meet her, I was a little skeptical myself because I mean, I'm born and brought up in Mumbai, don't know really anyone from the armed forces. That world was completely alien to me. So I was a bit concerned as to how I'll be able to understand that world and really dive into it. But really, when I went to meet Gunjan ma'am, I was so pleasantly surprised that actually sometimes we have a misconception that we tend to have expectations of people based on the world that they come from. But eventually, we're just human beings and we can connect really at a personal level. So I really connected with Gunjan ma'am very early in the process. In our first meeting, we were just chatting for almost 8 hours non-stop. Connected with her in her outlook to life, her family, the way they are. I connected with her parents, her journey, her dreams. And really, there was just a personal connection with her and her family. And that really allowed me an inroad into the emotion of the film, into the soul of the film. And that really connected with me very personally. There was a brother-sister dynamic that I found interesting. I have a younger sister myself. So somewhere these things just connected very, very personally to me. As a kid, Gunjan ma'am would talk about her dream for flying as a kida. Just as an obsession. As a kid, she had this kida for flying. And at the same age as a kid, I had this kida for wanting to grow up to be a cricketer. Now, that didn't happen, but I know that feeling. It was just a pure obsession and a passion that I really connected to at a very personal level. And actually, when it came to casting Janhvi, I think what really struck me when I went to meet Gunjan ma'am is, again, you go in there with a lot of expectations of how you expect an Air Force officer to be like, really based on maybe the films you've seen. So I expected somebody tough, in your face, intimidating, just expectations. But I really met a very warm, sweet, kind, gentle, but also internally very tough human being who was very sincere, pure, vulnerable in her demeanor. And I remember seeing a bit of Dhadak, and I saw there was something very pure, innocent, vulnerable in Janhvi's demeanor and her personality. And we kind of just went from there. And I really feel I feel like we lucked out in terms of a similarity in their personality as such.
And Janhvi and Pankaj sir, what's बहुत अच्छा इस फिल्म में is the father-daughter dynamics versus the father-son dynamics. There's something new. So did that also resonate with the two of you, Janhvi and Pankaj sir? आप ऐसे हो वैसे real life में father जैसे फिल्म में हो?
मैं वैसा पूरा तो नहीं हूँ, लगभग हूँ, नियर अबाउट हूँ, बट मैं वैसा होना चाहूंगा. मैं चाहूँ कि इस दुनिया के ज्यादातर बाप जो हैं, ऑलमोस्ट सारे बाप वैसे हों, अनूप सक्सेना की तरह
जी.
और यही एक वजह जुड़ने के पीछे, क्योंकि अनूप सक्सेना जैसे बाप होंगे तो गुंजन सक्सेना जैसी बेटी होगी, बहुत सारी होगी.
Absolutely. He's the wind beneath her wing. So Janhvi, did you also, since he spoke about the kida, you always had the kida to act. And also, what was the dynamics between father and daughter? Did you also resonate with that? Is it similar?
Yeah, I think that in a lot of ways, my father's always, been my support, and he's always encouraged me to do what I want to do. He's always instilled me with self-belief, or tried to. There have been so many times where he's believed in me more than I've believed in myself, and I think that even in the film there were many times where Gunju and Anup sir's character had the same kind of situation and equation. So yeah, I mean, I think I've been very fortunate that I've had parents who've supported my dreams, because I really think that that's the foundation for someone who wants to follow their dreams. If you have your family's support and backing, then I really think that you're unstoppable.
And also playing a real life character, an actor, sometimes it's inspired by her story. Did you also read about it? Did you emulate her mannerisms, or did you think about what you could add to this character?
I mean, of course, the aim was to present her with as much responsibility and authenticity as possible. There isn't much literature on her, but I met her a lot, and she was present on set all the time. So if I was ever confused about, am I walking right, or am I saluting right, or is my cap tipped enough to the right direction, she was always there to guide us. And but we'd spent a lot of time before we started shooting the film, and I think that the one thing that even Sharan gave great importance to picking up on was the fact that there is a silent strength to her, and she's not your conventional armed forces candidate. but there's a sincerity and there's a simplicity, and I think that's something that was obvious to me even when I met her, that she never once spoke of her struggles as if there was something that she had to overcome. She just kind of underplayed it and said, मेरा सपना था कि मुझे उड़ना था और मैंने मेहनत के जरिए वो सपने को पूरा किया, बस. It was very simple to her, and I think things are very black and white for her, and that's the approach that I try to take with presenting her character in every scene.
That does come through. And पंकज सर, आपका एक बहुत ही टेलिंग डायलॉग है पिक्चर में कि मेहनत करने वालों का साथ किस्मत हमेशा देती है. डू यू स्टैंड बाय इट? बिकॉज आजकल कभी कभी लगता है मेहनत करो, किस्मत साथ नहीं देती है.
मैं उसका एग्जाम्पल खुद हूँ, कहीं और जाना ही नहीं है, रेफरेंस पॉइंट मैं ही हूँ. कि मतलब एक गांव के लड़का गांव से चला, बिल्कुल रूरल इंडिया का बालक, और एक्टिंग करने का सोचा और एक्टिंग कर रहा है. तो ये सिर्फ मेहनत की वजह से हुआ, और मेहनत, किस्मत उन्हीं का साथ देती है जो मेहनत करते हैं. ये फैक्ट है, और बहुत इंस्पायरिंग कहानी है ये लाइन जो है, और ये कहानी जो है पूरी ओवरऑल गुंजन सक्सेना, तो बहुत इंस्पायर करती है. लगता है कि हाँ यार, दुनिया इतनी भी खराब ना हम सोचते हैं.
Also, Janhvi, Gunjan Saxena's story is an inspirational story of a woman who fights against the odds, basically for equality, irrespective of gender. She has to battle sexist ideologies and patriarchy. Also, as a woman in the film industry, do you think as female actors, you also have to deal with the same?
I wouldn't want to say I'm fighting against the odds, because I think that the odds have, I've been lucky and fortunate enough to have the odds in my favor more often than not. But there is casual sexism, I think, but I don't think it's ever intentional. Sometimes it's unintentional as a result of, years of conditioning and how people have been brought up. But, one thing that I realized when I started doing this film is a lot of people were saying, ये women-centric film है, ये female lead film है, ये female lead film है. If a man is leading the film, you don't say ये male lead का film है. But even that, you can't really blame anyone. It's just how people perceive things. But I just think that at the end of the day, a film is about you're telling a character story. It's a character-led film, whatever the gender of the character. So, I don't know. I don't know if people call Mother India or any of these other films a female-led film. It's just a film about a character, and I hope that we get to a place where we can neutralize these kind of terms.
क्या बात है यार, इतनी अच्छी बात बोली जानवी. मैं तो सुनकर मेरा मन खुश हो गया यार. वाह, बहुत बात कही.
शर्म, बताओ किसने सबसे ज्यादा करेले का जूस पिया था और किसने ज्यादा कसाटा खाई थी दोनों के बीच में?
बहुत खा लिया मैंने.
करेला जूस जानवी को बहुत पिलाया था, करेला जूस, and I was feeling I got a lot of joy in that. Sometimes he just did few more takes because he wanted to trouble her a little bit more.
ऐसे बहुत करते थे ये.
But trouble Janvi was one of my missions, so I enjoyed on that. And kasata, initially तो सब लोग बहुत excited थे कि kasata मिल जाए, but when you're eating it through the film, I think it was a nightmare at times. People were eating it and spitting it out, and all kind of things were happening. But it was fun. It was good fun.
तो आप दोनों बताओ कितनी एक्सरसाइज की, कौन सबसे ज्यादा? जानवी, वी आर ऑल मिसिंग योर जिम लुक्स दो.
काफी यार, मतलब वो रोज सुबह ऑलमोस्ट 6 बजे उठ के लखनऊ में ना, कि मार्केट खुले नहीं, बाजार नहीं खुले, उसके पहले दौड़ लो.
मुझे याद है.
अनदर डे हम सुबह 6 बजे उठ के गाड़ी में ब्रिज पे, एक नदी के ऊपर जो ब्रिज है उस पे, वो पार्क जो है पूरा ओल्ड पार्क जो है, सेंट्रल पार्क दौड़ रहे हैं, गोमती के पास दौड़ रहे हैं, अमीनाबाद बाजार में, और कई जगह कैमरा गाड़ी के अंदर होता था, तो लोग समझते भी नहीं थे. उनको लगता था कोई लोग हैं जो अपने बाप बेटी कहीं सच में दौड़ रहे होंगे.
That's the beauty of an actor, actually.
People are seeing the other things that I've been doing for the past year and a half. But I think I just miss going out and interacting with people. But gym तो मैं घर पे भी कर रही हूँ, तो अच्छा लगता है actually. I think as actors we get so used to being seen all the time, we don't realize that sometimes you get dependent on it. So अच्छा लगता है कि you're not being seen and you're not, I think it plays on your vanity a little bit. It's good to disconnect from that.
और पंकज आपके लिए कैसा रहा है ये लॉकडाउन?
बहुत अच्छा, एक ब्रेक चाहिए था, छुट्टी, क्योंकि मैं नॉन स्टॉप कर रहा था 2 साल से, तो ऊब चुका था। इनफैक्ट मैं एक्टिंग कर करके ना ऊब गया था, तो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा था और जरूरी था।
Okay, so Janvi, if you were given the opportunity to take flight on a plane, what would be your destination and who are you going to take along with you?
Take flight on a plane right now in the middle of this pandemic?
Yeah, if you're just told ki jao.
I think somewhere where there aren't many cases now, so my options are limited. I think London is a fairly good situation right now.
Yeah.
So I'd go to London. I've heard Maldives also there aren't many cases, and I like the beach, so maybe Maldives. And I'll take whoever's willing to risk their life and get on the flight right now. लेकिन मैं बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि I think ये बहुत ही cool चीज़ है कि जब मैं चॉपर में बैठी थी ये aerial sequences के लिए, there was one instance where the co-pilot was like, you've spent enough time in the chopper, you kind of know like where what is and what to do, और बहुत ही easy sequence था, so he handed over the controls और मैंने थोड़ा किया।
She's lying.
शर्म deny कर रहा है लेकिन ऐसे हुआ है।
Not at all. I don't believe this story.
पंकज सर आपका क्या कहना है?
I have a video of him saying that I'm a good pilot, which I will upload one day.
पंकज सर आप बताइए, पास हो गई लड़की to take flight?
अरे लड़की बिल्कुल पास है। बहुत मेहनती है, बहुत, मतलब मैं रनिंग शॉट में मुझे याद है वो अमीनाबाद, वो जो दरवाजा है अपना बड़ा इमाम बाड़ा के बाहर, दौड़ के उसको मेरे से आगे निकलना था। वो शॉट है प्रोमो में भी। तो और उस दिन इसके घुटने में दर्द हो रही थी और इतनी ताकत लगाए, मैं बार बार बोलूं कि अरे ये जान ले लेंगे, तुम पहले अपना सेहत देखो, भागो मत जाता। तो बहुत पास है, बिल्कुल पास है। जिस किस्म का मेहनत किया है वो कमाल है, ब्रिलियंट।
चलो जाते जाते आखिरी सवाल ये पूछूंगी आप दोनों का, सिंस यू बोथ आर the father-daughter relationship is so special that I can't get enough of it. What was your most special scene for the two of you together?
तुम बताओ जानवी।
2 scenes है मेरे लिए, एक्चुअली 3 scenes है। एक्चुअली हर सीन जो मैंने पंकज जी के साथ किया, मुझे हर सीन में बहुत मजा आया, लेकिन आई थिंक वो पराठे वाला सीन आपको याद है, क्योंकि उसमें मुझे कुछ नहीं करना था, मुझे बस इनको देखना था और इनको परफॉर्म करते हुए देखने में मुझे इतना मजा आ रहा था और मुझे लिटरली कुछ नहीं करना था उस सीन में। तो वो सीन में बहुत मजा आया। और फिर वो लास्ट वाला जो शॉट है, जो सीन है वो ट्रेन स्टेशन पर जब गुंजन लौटती है, तो वो हमने पूरे फिल्म के शूटिंग के बाद किया था और काफी ब्रेक के बाद किया था। मुझे सेट की बहुत याद आ रही थी, गुंजन की बहुत याद आ रही थी, पंकज सर, सब लोगों की बहुत याद आ रही थी। तो बहुत टाइम के बाद ऐसे लगा कि एक्चुअली मैं घर आ रही हूँ। और तो जब मैं ट्रेन से निकल के पंकज जी को देखती हूँ, मेरे लिए काफी इमोशनल था जेन्युइनली वो सीन।
जी पंकज सर आपका फेवरेट?
करेक्ट, वो मुझे पराठा वाला सीन पसंद है। एंड पराठा के संग संग एक है जब वो बीच में आती है अचानक सडन एक दिन दरवाजे पे उधमपुर बेस से लौट के, और बाप बेटी मिलते हैं दरवाजे पे। शॉट है छोटा सा, लेकिन वो शॉट में बहुत बहुत मजा आया था। इनफैक्ट सब में आया था मुझे। ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेस जो है उसमें भी मैं, मतलब मेरे लिए मैं क्या बताऊं आपको, मुश्किल होगा कि किसी दूसरी फिल्म में जानवी मुझे बाप का रोल नहीं करना पड़े। तो मुझे आई एम नॉट श्योर, मेरे लिए कठिन होगा उसके साथ कुछ दूसरी फिल्म करना, बाप ना बन के। मतलब मुझे उसको डांटना हो, मेरे लिए मुश्किल है डांटना लाइफ में।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर स्पीकिंग टू मी।
किस्म से जुड़ा।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर स्पीकिंग टू मी। इट्स अ लवली
किस्म की बॉन्डिंग हो गई थी।
जी, thank you all for speaking to us.
Thank you so
you made a
much.
lovely film. एंड वही है, मैं यहाँ से ही तालियां बजा देती हूँ कि थिएटर तो नहीं जा रही, we'll watch it again. So Janvi, last words from you, your biggest takeaway from Gunjan Saxena as a woman.
That keep working hard, and an obstacle is only an obstacle if you make it one in your head.
Thank you so much. Well said, and all the very best. Thank you so much.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you. Bye.
शुक्रिया
Shukriya, sir. Thank you, Sharan.
Thank you so much.